Hi guys, let me show you how to change your Telegram password. If you stumbled upon this video by chance, I recommend you watching it till the end to secure your Telegram from being hacked. So let's open the Telegram application and make our way to settings, gear icon on iPhone or 3 bars on Android. Go to settings. Select privacy and security, and here you have two passwords. First one is passcode lock to protect your current device from unauthorized access. So let's tap on passcode lock, enter your current passcode if you have one. Now you can change passcode, just enter a new passcode here, repeat it. And that's pretty it. Set up unlock with fingerprint, set up auto lock timer, and you can show or hide content in task switcher. Now let's go back to security options, and here is two-step verification password, which is used for new logins on new devices. So scammers will have a really hard time accessing your Telegram if you set a strong password here and your email is well protected. So let's go to two-step verification, enter current password. It's very weak now. I recommend to use really strong password over here. Now you can change password, disable password, and change recovery email. Recovery email is the obligatory step over here. So if you change password, you need to enter a new one. Now hit enter, re-enter password. Enter your password hint. Now go next. Your password has been changed. Tap on OK. You can change recovery email if you suspect that someone has access to this email, to your current recovery email. And actually that's pretty it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye.